In Python, one thing which is very easy to do is to swap two variables together. And in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you the quickest way to swap two variables on a single line. So let's say you have a, b, and the values assigned to a, b is 5 and 10. If you want to swap these variables and make a to be 10 and b to be 5, all you can do is do ab here is equal to ba, and automatically the contents in a and b will be assigned, will be swapped. So let's say we'll print this before and after. So before swapping we have a and b, and then we'll also print after swapping. So over here we'll print after swapping, and after swapping we'll have them. So you can see before swapping a is 5, b is 10, and after swapping a is 10, b is 5. So this is a very easy way to swap variables on a single line using the Python programming language. If you love this, make sure you give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. Share this with someone, and let's grow this community together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.